Insight Central will be presenting how to make a good first impression. Your first impression is a crucial moment in any interaction and can often determine the direction of the relationship. Making a lasting first impression can be a challenge. Once someone forms an initial perception of you, they tend to be resistant to change, even if you present them with additional information. Consequently, the initial impression you create can have a persistent impact on how others perceive you in the future. In this video, we will be discussing the various elements that make up a good first impression, including body language and nonverbal communication, verbal communication, interpersonal skills, and contextual factors. Part 1. Body language and nonverbal communication. Number 1. Eye contact and smile. Making eye contact and smiling are important ways to show that you're engaged and interested in the interaction. Number 2. Handshake and touch. A firm handshake and appropriate touch can communicate respect and establish trust. Number 3. Posture and stance. Your posture and stance can convey confidence, interest, or even discomfort. Stand tall and maintain an open stance to give the impression that you're approachable and confident. Number 4. Appearance and grooming. The way you dress and present yourself can impact the way others perceive you. Make sure to dress appropriately for the occasion and take care of your grooming to look your best. Part 2. Verbal communication. Number 1. Introduction and greeting. Your introduction and greeting sets the tone for the interaction and can leave a lasting impression. Make sure to use a friendly and confident tone and address the other person by name if possible. Number 2. Tone of voice and pace. The tone of your voice and the pace at which you speak can communicate your level of confidence, interest, and even nervousness. Speak clearly and confidently to make a positive impression. Number 3. Active listening and effective communication. Active listening and effective communications are keys to building rapport and understanding. Make sure to listen attentively and respond appropriately to what the other person is saying. Number 4. Avoiding negative words and phrases. Negative words and phrases can distract from your message and leave a negative impression. Make an effort to use positive language and avoid complaining or blaming others. Part 3. Interpersonal skills. Number 1. Being respectful and polite. Respect and politeness are important qualities to exhibit in any interaction. Make sure to treat others with respect and use polite language and gestures to show that you value their presence and input. Number 2. Being confident and positive. Confidence and positivity can have a contagious effect and leave a lasting impression on others. Try to exude confidence and positivity in your interactions, even in difficult situations. Number 3. Showing empathy and understanding. Showing empathy and understanding towards others can help to build rapport and establish trust. Try to put yourself in the other person's shoes and respond with empathy to their feelings and experiences. Part 4. Contextual factors. Number 1. Understanding the situation and environment. The context in which you are making a first impression can have a significant impact on how it is received. Make an effort to understand the situation and environment in which the interaction is taking place. Number 2. Adapting to the audience and setting. Adapting to the audience and setting is important in order to make a positive impression. Pay attention to the cues and expectations of the situation and respond accordingly. Number 3. Showing cultural sensitivity and awareness. Showing cultural sensitivity and awareness can help to build rapport and establish trust with others, particularly in cross-cultural interactions. Be mindful of cultural differences and make an effort to understand and respect different customs, values, and beliefs. In this video, we discussed the importance of making a good first impression and the various elements that make up a positive interaction. It's important to remember that your first impression can have a lasting impact on the direction of a relationship. Make an effort to be mindful of how you present yourself and make a positive impact. Making a good first impression takes practice and effort, but it can be improved with time and effort. Lastly, if you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great contents like this. Thanks for watching.